guys, Glenn Hardy with you. It is Friday, I believe it's December 21st, and we're getting our fill today, our morning breakfast, healthy, solid meal. You can see it. That's right, McDonald's. Alright, stay tuned. We're going to be harvesting some soybeans today. Organic soybeans. Had a few little hiccups, but we do have a pretty good stand out here. Dumped the combine hopper one time. Around these edges, they're not the greatest. Been fighting a couple teeth, getting broke. Fighting some mud, not knowing how to run the combine, fighting that. So we're learning, but it's going good. I got my little grain monitor right here, or I say grain monitor, hopper monitor, just video monitor, and I don't know if I can get a good picture of that or not. What's going on? I really can't. Sun's in the way. But yep, we're in the 90-acre field. Things are going good. Got Dad up there on the hill. As long as I can get these beans out, I think we're going to have a pretty good year just from this one field. Now they're wet in this field. We're running 16%. I'm looking for a grain bin. I think I've got one found to store these in, but we're nothing set in stone yet. I would say average 45 to 55 bushels an acre. Just me estimating. This field at this point, there's a few weeds you can tell, but overall it's pretty clean. I am getting some head shatter. That's just something that you're not going to be able to avoid, unfortunately. This late in the year, the conditions were under. The head that I have, I will probably be looking for a different head at some point. I can't get the field tracker over here. I can't get it to work properly. But yeah, so we're harvesting along. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Sun is getting to be at about the highest point, or getting ready to set. It's already past the highest point that it will have been. Running my RPM on my rotor about 1660. I'm running my fan about 920, and I do have to adjust the head up and down as we go. So we're gonna keep chugging along. We got a lot of soybeans out there. A lot. Update to the video. It is December 23rd. For those of you who can tell, I have a new head. The last head, the auger broke right there where the fingers are at, almost in two. So this head was about 35 miles, 45 miles away. I'm still in the same field. Beans are looking really good. Yeah, we're doing good. We're going again. This is a 1020, not an 820. And it is a lot easier to run. It's got the fore and aft adjustment up and down. A lot better flex to the cutter bar. Just an all around, I think, better head. I didn't want to buy it. I didn't want to have to buy it, but we ended up breaking the other one. The only thing I had to replace was a hydraulic line right down there. It does have a few tines missing. Other than that, it's a pretty solid head. So we're still in really good beans, pretty clean. Just a few weeds out there. It's cutting through them real easy. Where there's grass patches, it's blowing right through it. I haven't plugged this head yet. With the other head, by this point, I'd already plugged it 3 or 4 different times. So it's got the little sight down there in the bottom corner of the head, the right-hand side, where I can adjust the head up and down based off of that needle. It does have automatic header control, but I'm still trying to teach myself how to do that. I'm learning as we go. So guys, please like, please subscribe to my channel, and we will keep this thing running. And I'm gonna probably take another video later on today, another short clip of some really good beans. So these beans are running anywhere between 45 to a couple different acres. It's been up to 65 bushels an acre, so really good. All right guys, take it easy.